Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Greetings everyone. Today I will show you how to upload PDF in the forum section in the Spectrum. First you need to add discussion topic and we provide the subject, for example, latihan. And then you see there is no option to upload the PDF. However, in order to see that option, you need to click advance. Then you will see the attachment and you can choose your file using drag and drop, or you just click choose file here and upload this. Oh, okay. In order to enable that submission, you need to add link. Just add the file here. Okay. Then you can post to forum. See, the submission is done. So if you do not want the link here, you can edit and just delete it. Save changes here.